Hey guys, it has been a minute. Welcome back. I haven't uploaded since Jesus got his M, which was back in September, I believe. So it's been a minute. We are currently, this video is probably going to be all out of order, but I'm headed to Home Depot now. We're going to go get some washers and I don't know what they're called, to be honest. I want to say bolts, but I don't know. Because my boyfriend ended up getting me a gloss black front lip for my car. Honestly, I was going back and forth with what I really wanted. I didn't know if I wanted a carbon fiber one. Well, I know I want a carbon fiber long term, but I didn't know the style I wanted to run. So he got me the style I want, but got gloss black. So we're gonna see how it fits. But I'm going back and forth. Like, part of me wants to do it the correct way, like take the front bumper off, put the washers so like it's in there good. And the other part of me was like, do you really want to go in your dad's garage and try and look for a drill? So do you want to just 3M it? I'm gonna probably end up having to drill it because that's the correct way to do it. But we also have to clean the interior of my dad's truck. So I filmed a little bit of that as well. And then we'll see what we end up doing with the bumper. But let's go to Home Depot and we'll take it from there. Confession, I have the most anxiety when I have to work on my car by myself and like not having my boyfriend there. Because I know if something goes wrong, he knows how to fix it. Like he'll fix it no matter what. Like he can fix it. And I know other girls like go and work on the car, no questions asked, and I want to be that so bad. But like ever since like my steering wheel, I made my car down for a whole month trying to do my steering wheel on my own. Like, but I know practice makes perfect, and like working on your car by yourself, like you learn and blah blah blah. But like he's like my fucking security blanket. Like I need him there to like be a second pair of eyes. And that's so like not good, but like can anyone else relate? Like they want their man there because they know that he'll know how to fix something if you don't know how to do it. I'm bugging. Let me just go. Let's go get these freaking washers. We got the goods. We got new screws, bolts, and washers. Like I said in the store, I'm assuming this is correct. All the packets say number 10, so I'm assuming they all work together. Hopefully. Let's see if this is true. Okay. We getting somewhere. Now the moment of truth to make sure this bolt works. It has like this little, I don't know, maybe they're not supposed to go all the way down because it has like a rubber thing. I don't know. We'll see. All I know is your girl got her receipt. So if this does not work out, I'm just gonna return them and call it a day. Here's the gloss black front lip, same style I want the carbon fiber one to be in, but I want to make sure I like the style before I drop the money on the carbon fiber one. Something was supposed to go here, but nothing came, so I might just put something here, like a sticker with the cricket. All right guys, yes, she needs a wash bad, but I don't know if it's where I park or I don't know what the deal is. Alright, so I watched the video. It said I just have to remove some clips off the front, and there's I think 5 clips underneath that I need, and it should come off. So I don't think I need to jack up the car, but we'll see. Clear on that side for connections? No. Okay, so we were able to get the bumper off with a little help from my man. So I didn't know this, but it's easier if you take them off from the actual holder place. I don't know what it's called, but we got them off. There's 2 you have to take off, 1 on each side, and then if you have a sensor, you have 1 there. But now we're going to get the lip. Alright, so we did the initial, there's a couple of screws holding in the lip. It looks really good so far, but we're just gonna have to drill holes into here because the way the lip is, it's covered by, I don't know if you guys can see, where you would put the screw back in to hold the bumper into the car. They cover all those, so we'd have to drill out holes from. Okay, so what we ended up doing is we got 2 screws here, and then we're gonna have 1, 2, 5 going across, and then 2 on the side here. Okay, so this never goes as planned, obviously. I ended up threading one of the bolts with like a little nut thing. So this goes back to what I said earlier in the video, that my man is always like thinking 2 steps ahead. So he did something to get the bolt to break, and we got it off, so we had to go to Home Depot to get more. And then now we're gonna go finish up. All in all, it was pretty easy, very easy. Alright guys, it's a couple of days later. By the time we finished on Saturday, it was too dark to film like and show you guys really what it looks like. So I'll do that today. And what else? I really like how it looks. Like the fitment is spot on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, we're gonna end the video here showing you how good it looks. Fitment is perfect, even on the sides.